A type of galvanic cell is constructed with two hydrogen electrodes. The negative electrode is in contact with 10 power minus 6 molar H+. If the EMF of the cell is 0.12 volt, the pH of the solution at the positive electrode is. Negative electrode is nothing but anode. Asking the pH value for the positive electrode, that is for cathode. So here remember the formula. E cell is equal to 0.0591 into pH at anode minus pH at cathode. First of all, here negative electrode concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 6 molar. So pH at anode is equal to minus log H plus at anode is equal to minus log 10 power minus 6 minus into minus 6 log 10. So log 10 is 1. So pH at anode is 6. Now if we substitute in this formula, E cell is equal to how much is given? E cell 0.12. 0.12 is equal to 0.0591 into pH at anode is 6 minus pH at cathode. If we calculate here, 0.12 by 0.0591 is equal to 6 minus pH at cathode. Here 0.12 by 0.0591 will get 2.03 is equal to 6 minus pH at cathode. That is, pH at cathode is equal to 6 minus 2.03. 6 minus 2.03 will get 3.97, approximately 4. So pH at cathode is 4.